Want to track your website's performance, run retargeting ads, or manage analytics with just a few clicks? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google Tag Manager code to your WordPress site the fast and easy way. No complicated coding, just one simple plugin. By the end of this video, you'll have Google Tag Manager set up and ready to roll, fully integrated into your WordPress site, so you can take advantage of all the powerful tracking and marketing tools Google Tag Manager offers. Alright, let's get right into it. The fastest and safest way to link Google Tag Manager with WordPress is by using Sitekit by Google. This is Google's official WordPress plugin, and honestly, it's kind of a Swiss Army knife. Sitekit seamlessly connects your site with a bunch of handy Google services like Search Console, Analytics, and of course, Tag Manager all in one place. So not only are you saving time, but you're also reducing the risk of messing with theme files or custom code. That's a big win for site speed and security. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you'll see Plugins. Hover over that and click Add New. In the search box that appears, simply type Sitekit by Google. When you see it pop up, hit Install Now and then click Activate. This process may take a few moments depending on your site's speed, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once Sitekit is activated, you're going to connect your site to your Google account. The plugin will guide you step by step through a few prompts. If you already use other Google services, make sure to choose the Google account that also has access to your Google Tag Manager container. You'll be asked to grant permissions, just follow the instructions. It's all very straightforward, but keep in mind, you do need to be logged into the correct Google account, so double-check if you manage multiple logins. With your Google account connected, it's time to hook up Google Tag Manager. On the WordPress dashboard's left menu, click Sitekit, then Settings. Here, look for the section that says Connect More Services. You'll see Tag Manager as an option. Click on Set up Tag Manager. The plugin should now show you your available GTM accounts and containers. Just pick the right account and the specific container you want to use for this site. If you're managing multiple sites or brands, the container is kind of like a toolbox specific to each website, so make sure you select the right one. Here's the best part. Once you've selected your GTM container, Sitekit automatically adds the necessary code snippets to your site. You don't have to copy and paste any code, edit theme files, or worry about updates erasing your changes. Sitekit handles everything safely in the background, which means fewer headaches for you now and in the future. And that's it. Updating any tracking tags or setting up new ones is now as simple as managing your Google Tag Manager account. You won't need to touch your site's code ever again. Plus, with Sitekit, you'll have access to additional insights and features right inside your WordPress dashboard. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want tutorials on other plugins. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck optimizing your WordPress site with Google Tag Manager.